Today, we will talk about how to bathe a small dog at home. Let's have a look at the details. Though some dogs do just fine at the groomers, yours might be one of the many that don't do well with all the noise and strangers at a pet salon. Small dogs are so easy to bathe, you might as well do it yourself at home. The first step is preparing for a bath. Gather your basic materials. Before getting started, gather these materials so you have everything in one place: towels, dog shampoo, sponge, comb, or brush, small cup or bucket, and doggy treats. Consider optional materials for thorough cleanings, such as dog conditioner, toothbrush, and dog toothpaste, cotton balls for ear cleaning. Decide where to bathe your small dog. Since your dog is small, you have the option of choosing a bathtub, sink, or even a plastic tub or bucket outside. Place a rubber mat or towel in the sink or tub. You know from experience how slippery a tub can get once you lather up the soap and shampoo. To keep your dog from slipping on the wet surface, give him a mat or towel that will help keep his feet under him. Prepare your dog for the bathing process. If your dog is already comfortable with baths, you can skip this step. But whether you have an adult or puppy, the bathing process might scare your dog, so take things slowly. Groom your dog's coat before bathing. Brush it out to remove any loose dirt, mats, and snarls that will be harder to handle once the coat is wet. If the fur is too matted, take your dog to a professional groomer. Consider protecting the eyes with eye ointment. If you intend to wash your dog's face, you can buy ointment that will prevent stinging from soap. Protect the dog's ears with cotton. If water or shampoo gets into your dog's ear during the bath, it can result in an ear infection. To prevent this, gently tuck a small piece of cotton ball into each ear, but be careful not to push it in too far. The second step is bathing your dog. Run your shower head away from your dog. Even if your bathtub doesn't have a shower head, then bath your dog outside with a hose in an easy setting. Shampoo your dog thoroughly. Work from the back to the front of the body so you're not overwhelming your dog right away and you can gauge how well it's doing. Make sure to get between the pads and toes and over the tail and genitalia. Combine your rubbing with soothing praise. Your dog should be enjoying your caring touch. Rinse the shampoo out of your dog's coat thoroughly. If you're using a kitchen sink, you can use the spray attachment if you have one. Never use a cup or bucket to rinse as it's not effective enough to get under the coat of a long-haired or double-coat dog. Either way, use a wet washcloth on the face so you don't overwhelm the dog. If you can still see bubbles on the dog, you need to rinse a couple more times. Any soap, shampoo, or conditioner residue left on the dog will attract dirt, defeating the purpose of the bath. Soap residue can also irritate your dog and cause itching. Brush the dog's teeth. Make sure you're using toothpaste formulated for dogs, not humans. If a dog swallows human toothpaste, he's likely to get an upset stomach. Make sure your dog is used to you handling his mouth before brushing his teeth, so you don't get nipped on the hand. Clean his ears with cotton balls and a dog ear cleanser. Dog ear cleanser's pH balanced to help prevent ear infections. Apply it to a clean cotton ball or an ear cleaning pad bought at a pet store. Dry off your dog. Place your dog on a dry towel, then wrap him in another towel to absorb most of the water. Reward your dog for getting through the bath. Shower him with praise and give him a tasty treat, even if he had trouble getting through the experience. Let the coat dry before trying to brush it. It's very important to brush your dog after every bath so his hair doesn't get matted. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.